Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be working with the company ALIGRACE hair. They sent me a pre-made unit in 12 inches and 150% density. I've already customized the wig to my liking, bleached, plucked, all that. There were 4 combs inside, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and 1 like all the way at the bottom. So I've already hot combed the hair all the way back, which makes it easier to apply the wig. Right now you just see me cutting the little air tabs off. Yeah, I couldn't see, so I had to cut the lace a little bit shorter so I could see, especially because my lashes was really long as well, so it just wasn't working out. But yeah, I'm still cutting the air tabs off, and once that's all done, you're gonna make sure that it's placed on your head right, because you're gonna get ready to glue it down. Here's me being the head ass that I am, but on to the next step. So once the air tabs is all cut off, make sure it's placed on your hair right, comb the hair back. Right now I'm giving y'all scalpy honor. Yes sis, I know y'all see it. Y'all, please, if you see excess lace on the airport, don't be afraid to cut it off, sis. Just cut it all off. It don't need to be there. Just cut it. Don't be scared. Just do it. Now for this install, I did a ball cap method. I don't usually do a ball cap all the time. Sometimes I just wear the wig cap as it is, or I will wear no wig cap. So right now I'm just rubbing my skin with rubbing alcohol. Then I'm gonna go in with my glue. Yeah, I ain't a YouTuber, so I forgot to do the whole little coverage on for y'all to see, but I'm pretty sure everyone knows this glue. It's Ghost Bond. I used 3 layers of it, but yeah, my camera was tweaking, so it only got me applying 1 layer, but I used 3 layers of it. This glue, let me talk about this glue real quick. Everybody asked me what glue I use. I use Ghost Bond. They ask if it's good. My honest opinion, nah, it's not. I'd highly recommend Bold Hold rather than Ghost Bond. If you get your hands on Bold Hold, I'd definitely get that. Says do not get Ghost Bond. I'm telling you, do not get Ghost Bond. And I'm not trying to bash Ghost Bond or nothing. It's good if you want to keep your wig on for like a day or 2, but other than that, if you want a long-term wear, I would not recommend Ghost Bond. But anyways, I've applied the wig. You want to make sure that the glue dries clear and apply the wig on. I've applied it, mushed it in, and right now I'm just blow drying it. Make sure your glue dries clear. If not, you see the little white joint right there? Yep, you're gonna get that. But don't worry, I'm gonna fix it later on in the video. Once you're all done, you're gonna get ready to cut the lace. Hey, did y'all see that? Nah, if you didn't, rewind, go back and see that. As you can see, I'm just cutting off the lace right now. I'm cutting as close as possible to the hairline as I can. Yeah, I'm using a scissors this time. I didn't really want to use the eyebrow shaper, but yeah, make sure you cut in a like a zigzag motion, a jagger motion, some people call it. But yeah, make sure it's not in a straight line, because if it is, you will see the demarcation. Right, so you just gonna comb the hair back. Don't be afraid of them little pieces of hair coming out. It's just because you cut the lace off. But right now, this is Bianca. That ain't Stephanie, that was Bianca. If you know, you know. So you're gonna wanna pull the lace back, as you can see me doing, and apply some glue on there. Once it all dries, go ahead and mush that thing all in, baby girl. Use the comb, sis. Do not use your fingers, use the comb. Right now, I'm just rubbing off any excess glue with rubbing alcohol, and that was what I was talking about earlier on in the video. If you don't let your glue dry on clear, you're gonna be struggling trying to take it off. But yeah, got it all off, and I applied some makeup, which is why you see oh, hold on, y'all. Please get into the lace. I even slowed it down for y'all. Stop sleeping on ALIGRACE hair. When I tell you they did they dollar on that lace, they did they dollar on that lace. But right now, I'm just deciding if I want the middle part or a side part. I ended up going with middle part, and don't mind my parting. I'm gonna fix it later on in the video, but we gonna get into the baby hairs. Everybody's favorite part, my favorite part too. So yeah, you're just gonna wanna part your baby hairs out how you like it. I don't really like my baby hairs, you know, on the top, then the side, and by my brows, and then by my ear. I feel like that's a little bit too much, so I just pick out like 3 little parts, if that makes sense. But yeah, once you do that, you're gonna want to cut it. Cut it, hey, cut it. I'm sorry, that's too funny. I do not cut my baby hairs like this. I saw it on Instagram and I wanted to try it, but obviously it was kind of a fail because it didn't make no difference. Right, so you're gonna want to go in with Godspeed spray. It don't have to be Godspeed spray. It could be any holding spray, or you could use an extra holding mousse. And then afterwards, you're gonna want to apply your elastic band. I got this from, where did I get this from? It was like a craft store. Then you're gonna get your wax stick. I use Care. It's really good and it's very affordable. As you see me doing, I'm just parting the back of the frontal, and I'm gonna apply my wax stick on there because you don't want none of the tracks showing. Once I do that, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and hot comb all of that back, press it all down, make it sleek. Y'all, I highly apologize. My phone ended up dying, so I had to use my old phone, and the camera quality ain't really that good. But what I did was I just applied mousse on there. I used the olive oil mousse, and then I'm gonna go in and hot comb my hair. So you're gonna want to comb your baby hairs as you see me doing, so it's not like stuck on your head and all that extra stuff. And you're gonna want to get ready to start doing your baby hairs. Now you want to cut your baby hairs short, not too short, but short enough for it to look as realistic as possible. And right now I just sprayed water on the baby hairs because once you apply the mousse and all that stuff and lay it, you don't want it to be crispy hard. You want it to be like soft enough and give you that soft, messy baby hair look. I wish I could tell you how I do my baby hairs, but it's more of like a self-explanatory thing. You're just gonna have to watch. You gotta be really light-handed as well. Don't be too hard on it unless your lace might lift. But yeah, this is basically how I do my baby hairs. I just keep combing. They don't really turn out perfect because I like my baby hairs like really messy, so I don't give them the curve it's supposed to have, but I still give it a curve, if that makes sense. You'll see all in the end of the video anyways. But yeah, y'all, also don't be afraid to use mousse. If you need mousse, apply as much as you need. If you need to cover your whole forehead with the mousse for you to get your baby hairs perfect, do it, sis. I'm telling you, do it, because if you don't use enough product, you're not gonna get the desired look you want to get. Doing your baby hairs is also really time consuming. Like, it's really tedious, so you gotta take your time with it. Don't rush it, just take your time. Yeah, that's all I can say for you to get nice baby hairs. Take your time, don't rush, just don't touch. I don't know what, like man, I get distracted so easily. I'm so sorry. But yeah, just take your time and all that stuff. So right now, I'm going to be applying my elastic band. This one's a bigger one, so it could cover the baby hairs proper. And then I didn't really want the blunt cut look. I wanted more of like a curved in, but not too curved, if that makes sense. So like kind of straight, kind of curved in-ish, or whatever you want to call it. And you're gonna want to take your baby hairs, not your baby hairs, your elastic band off, and this is what it gives. Yup, ALIGRACE, baby, that one was for you. Shout out to ALIGRACE for sending me this lovely hair. Once again, this hair is in 12 inches and it's 150 density. Yeah, it's bomb. Like, it's really bomb. But back into the video. So right now I just combed the baby hairs out because I want it to be messy. I don't really like the stuck down look. I like my baby hairs messy. Then once you comb it out, you're gonna want to tweeze it a little bit because it's too much. Like, it's too much, you know what I'm saying? So you want to tweeze it a little bit, and that gives it, you know, the messy, fluffy look. So right now, as you can see me doing, I'm gonna just fix my part, and I'm using foundation down my part, and then I'm gonna apply this black spray on there, and then I'm gonna push the foundation like in so it doesn't leave any harsh lines and just makes it look more natural. Yeah, so I'm just going in with rubbing alcohol and kind of just cleaning the baby hairs a little bit from any flakiness, and then I'm gonna spray Gatsby spray on there, and then so I'm gonna just comb the baby hairs into place, and then yeah, I'm gonna begin to style it to my liking. So I like my hair to kind of have the little high joint. I don't really know what it's called, but yeah, you see. And then I'm gonna go in with my Care wax stick again, and then I'm gonna hot comb my hair up. Right, so this basically sums this video up. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to shop with ALIGRACE hair. As you can see, the hair is bomb, the lace is bomb, everything is just so lit, period. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media platforms, and I'll see y'all in my next video.